Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. And Turf Champ for the win. I used that thick and hardy before, but Turf Champ gave me great results in the past. Oh yeah, can't wait. And for the first time in a long time, I'll overseed the backyard. Take the screen down, prune the hydrangeas. This one, it's really needed. Okay, the one in the middle and the one on the end. Has to get done. Look at the Holy Grail. Still going. I like it. They just pop or bloom when they feel like it. I'm okay with that. And this is what happens when you don't take care of your yard. Look at all these weeds. They took over. They really did. It's a mess back here. I tried, but they overwhelmed me. Something I kept scratching my head over. Look at the left side. Okay? Now look at the right. Why did the left grow like this? Even over here, same thing. Look at the left side. Look at the right. Look at the left, right. What is going on? Makes no sense at all. Guess it's time to scalp the grass. Don't forget, I rated the Power Smart C-. C- over here, guys. C-. C- lawnmower. Before I start cutting, I'll take my shovel and just dig up the weeds. Just dig it up. Just dig them up. Get them out of here. They destroyed my yard. Hate them. Like I said, there were quite a few all over. They took over. But you know what? Great day to do this type of work, guys. Great day. Barely a cloud in the sky. Very clear. Anyway, let's continue. All right, got them all up. At least the ones I could see. Guys, as a reminder, when you don't maintain your yard, the grass, care for it, give it nutrients, fertilizer, this is the end result. Got them up. Hope that never happens again. Time to prune the hydrangeas. Get your pruners, your scissors, whatever you use, however you do it. Get them. Don't be scared. Cut them down. Just cut them down. Over here, lilacs, might as well get these too. Long overdue. Those pruners are great. Came in a set. Great deal. Great deal. Okay, what did I do? I cut the lilacs down. Or this one. Cut this one down. Looks a whole lot better. It'll come back stronger next year. This one, I didn't. Got some foliage trying to come in. Over here, cut it down. Okay, so now it's time to scalp the grass. Just in time. Fountain's about to start up. You know, I was supposed to replace it with something else. Ended up just replacing the bottom barrel. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, yeah. Here it comes. Wait a minute. Why not the top one? Rocks. Uh-oh. Know what that means. Nephew. Nephew strikes again. When he comes over, he gets the rocks, puts them in the fountain. I don't know why. I have no idea why. But he did it to me again. And now I have to take this thing apart and get those rocks out of there. Yeah, I'm not getting rid of it. I might get a new one and find another place to put this one. Get that leaf out of there. But this one isn't going anywhere. Time to scalp the grass. At least I can adjust the height, but it doesn't go as high as I would like. It's getting there. Got a little ways to go. And that should do it. Yep, I'm done here. I only planned on putting seeds down, but I had to do some digging. Don't worry, this won't be one of my big renovation jobs like the one in the front. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.